Welcome to Reading, where Highways Drone Services, in partnership with Milestone Infrastructure, are working on behalf of Reading Borough Council to enhance lighting inspections and safety. Our fully equipped mobile production van features the latest drone technology, onboard solar power, and a crew outfitted in full PPE. With Chapter 8 compliant markings, we provide a safe working environment for all operations. We deploy drones to inspect high-mast lighting, reaching heights of up to 53 metres. Our advanced drones capture high-resolution footage of the lighting condition, safety connections and fixings, providing detailed assessments from ground level. Our inspections also collect OSID and node data to ensure integration with the central management system, enabling real-time control and monitoring of lighting units. Unlike traditional methods that involve working at height and road disruptions, our drone solutions eliminate the need for ladders, mobile elevating work platforms, and lane closures. This makes inspections safer, quicker, and more efficient. We extend our services to standard lighting columns, providing detailed condition reports and identifying obstructions such as overhanging trees or damage. This allows for proactive maintenance planning, minimising disruptions. Milestone are investing in new technologies such as drones to deliver safer, smarter, and more sustainable infrastructure solutions. Milestone Infrastructure are committed to keeping the workforce out of live carriageways and away from dangerous heights. Our drone technology ensures safer, more efficient inspections while significantly reducing CO2 emissions. We're driving forward a smarter, more sustainable future for infrastructure management without compromising on safety or quality.